Hi, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this error, which is earnings at risk. You need to fix some ads.txt file issue. So it might seem like complicated, but trust me, it's pretty easy, especially if your website is WordPress based. So open up your WordPress, sign into your WordPress dashboard and go into plugins. Yeah, you can use this plugin to solve this issue, and don't worry about it. It would not cause any increase in speed for your website, so reduction of speed of your website. So you can go ahead and download a plugin to do this simple task. So click on add new plugin and go search for ads.txt. So once you do that, you should be able to see this ads.txt manager. You need to click on install now. I'm using the one which is 10 up, which has pretty 80,000 plus active installations and good reviews. So I'm going to do that. You can choose any other apps like plugins as well, but I would prefer this one. So once you have downloaded that, go into settings and you can see something called ads.txt. You need to click on that. So once you do that, you get a place where you can download and copy and paste the code for your ads.txt. So for that, you need to go and click on fix now for this issue. That should give you download option. This will download the .txt file. So, and you need to open that. Once it's downloaded, just copy whatever is inside, go back, paste it here and just save it. Once you do that, that's all you need really. So if you go back, the error should be gone, but sometimes it might take some time to actually remove this error message, because since we updated right now, it would ask wait till the Google spider has crawled it. So you can wait at least 24 hours to get this message removed, but ultimately this is what you need to do, nothing else. So I hope you like this video and it was helpful. If you like this video and found it helpful, please you can subscribe to my channel. I also give you a free blogging tutorial for 5 hours completely for free if you are interested in learning how you can make money with the internet. Yeah, that's all guys. I hope you subscribe and support me, and have a great one guys.